Hey, welcome to Skydive Auckland. How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm very well. So we're obviously on Skydive. How high are we going?
I'm going 16,000.
What? So like 5 kilometers up in the sky.
Oh wow.
You ready?
I'm excited.
Let's go do it.